Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own website without coding, without any servers or hosting things. Just use these two, Chatium AI. You get the form and fill it with some of your ideas. Really mini website for company AT&T, for example. Company creates AI agents located in New York City. Let's go. Now Chatium creates your own account and started to generate this solution. Okay, our site is ready. We have some hero blogs, we have services, about, and contact blocks. Let's look on the full screen, like this. You can change any design things or sections just in chat, but let's look contact form. Okay, create contact table and contact form on the site. So let's try. Now we have contact form with some fields, and we can fill it. Yes. Chat zone in. Hello. This is text message. And let's open tables. We have one table, contact submissions, and we have this record in this table. And let's open our Gmail. Here we have notification about this form submission. Okay, let's do something else. Okay, it's done. Let's open our site. Open testimonials section. Let's have a look on our tables. Let's tables, client testimonials. Here we have a table with all this data. Let's still solve it. In text and rating like this. It's active. Okay, refresh here. Testimonial, and here we are. Now you can see you can create your own website. You can link your own domain. It's very easy. And you can control all this appearance and all this data just with chat. You don't need to think about how to do something. Like if you want to change this background, just say change background for a hero section. Use more green and yellow. Now we can just screenshot it fast and say, change text colors to make it more visible. And it's done. I don't like these colors. You can change it. You can say we change this to white color or something like that. But it's up to you. You can just use this chat to change everything on your site or in your tables, on your data. Just use Chatium AI